So we'll be proceed to next reporters.
Good day everyone. I am Jamie John Chloe S. Picar. I'm Betelad HE1C.
And our topic today is all about leadership theories.
Leadership is an important aspect of project management as it enables the project manager to lead the project team, stakeholders, and other participants of the project.
Leadership theories are school of thoughts that explain how and why people become leaders and what traits and behavior can help someone improve their leadership skill. So, bilang leader, makakatulong din sila na matukoy kung ano ang mga diskarte sa pamumuno para makahantong sa tagumpay. Hindi naman madali maging isang leader, lalo na kapag wala kang mga experience. Like for example sa school, diba, sa school is kailangan natin may isang leader talaga yan. Dapat kailangan mo ma-define kung ano ba talaga ang isang leader and paano mo siya ma-handle bilang isang leader.
Sa leadership theories, meron tayong 6 na function. One is the great person theory. So what is the great person theory?
Hindi ko nababasahin, i-explain ko na agad.
According to the great man theory, people in position of power deserve to lead dahil sa characteristic granted to them at birth. Ito na yung halimbawa ang tatay mo is isang leader na sa bayan nyo. Bata ka pa lang, pinapaplanuhan na nila agad na ikaw na sunod ang magiging leader o tagapagmana. Kasi for example, kila Duterte, Rodrigo Duterte. Now, mga anak niyang susunod sa niya pag Duterte. Number 2 is trait theories. So, ang trait theories of leadership is a theory that successful leader have certain initiate personality trait that make them effective leaders. Like for example, sa trait theory, suggest that certain inborn or initiate qualities and characteristics make someone a leader. Yun ang example ng trait theory of leadership. And number 3, behavioral theories. Ngayon ulit paabasa. So, ano nga bang behavioral leadership? Ang behavioral leadership theory is a leadership theory that focuses on how leader behave rather than their initiate trait or characteristic.
Ang theory ay nagsuggest na kung pwede lang ay matutong maging isang pinuno sa pamamagitan ng pag-aaral o pagsasabuhay ng mga pag-uugali ng mga tao o mga effectiveness leaders. Behavioral theory seek to explain human behavior by analyzing the antecedents and consequent present in the individual environment and the learned association he or she has acquired through previous experience. Ang contingency and situational leadership, ang leadership ay parehong mga modelo ng pamumuno na ipinapapalagay na walang iisang ideal na diskarte sa pamumuno. The contingency theory of leadership state that effective leadership is contingent upon the situation at hand. Essentially, it depends on whatever an individual's leadership style benefits the situation. The main difference between situational leadership and contingency theory is that the situational leadership follows the idea that leadership style can be changed and adapted, while contingency theory does not. So number 5, transactional leadership. Alam naman natin as managerial leadership is a leadership style where leaders rely on rewards and punishments to achieve optimal job performance from their subordinate. Is transactional leadership. So, ang transactional leadership ay kilala rin bilang pamumuno sa pamamahalaga, ay isang leadership style that assess reward and punishment to achieve goals and maintain order. So number 6 is transformational leadership theory. So, a transformational leadership style inspire employees to strive beyond required expectation to work toward a shared version. So, for example, kay Jeff Bezos is seen by many as a great transformational leader. His leadership style involved always pushing employees and staff to think about new product and possibilities. Amazon has taken commerce and delivery to an unprecedented level due to this transformation and innovative style.
Leadership. Ito yung mga kakayahan natin na maka-influence ng ibang tao. For example, sa classroom is may mayor tayo kasi siya yung nagsasabi kung ano yung mga dapat nating gawin para ma-set o makuha natin yung mga goal na gusto nating makuha. So let's proceed the power. Power is ito yung kakayahan natin na